Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi T. Grant. I am a freelance New York City makeup artist. I'm also a mother, so if you're interested in content surrounding motherhood, beauty, fashion, all things like glam related, I guess, make sure that you guys subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if I'm posting this on IGTV, make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Naomi T. Grant Beauty, and that's also my website, naomitgrantbeauty.com. In this video, as you guys can probably tell by the title, I'm going to do an unboxing of a luxury handbag that I just got. The bag that I got is from the brand Telfar. It is a Black-owned handbag line. All of the pieces are vegan leather. And it's actually, these bags are quite trendy. I've seen them all over social media before even finding out that it was designed by a Black man. I've seen them. They're really cool, really cute, simple design. It's just an overall really nice bag. They come in tons of different colors and also tons of different sizes. So they have small, medium, and large. I got a small handbag. I'm really into that really cute, tiny, small bag vibe. And I actually have a small bag around that size that I get a lot of use out of. So I knew for a fact that if I was gonna spend more than I usually spend on a handbag, that size, I already use that size a lot, and I knew that it would work with the things that I already have. So the package came in a box like this, just a simple box. I remember when I got it, I was like, how does it fit in that? And then I realized it's a small bag, and it also is vegan leather, so I'm sure it's a really supple leather. So I'm just gonna take it out of the box. This is how it looked like when I take it out of the box. So it comes in a plastic bag, and then you take it out, and it actually has a dust bag, which is really nice. Most luxury handbags do come in a dust bag, but I know that is a smaller line, and these small little details do make such a big difference in terms of how you feel about your purchase when you get it. So really nice. This is the logo for the brand, and this is the bag. Isn't it so freaking adorable? I love it. I love it. It is so adorable. So I can choose to either just use it with the handles right here and just hold it like that, or obviously I can take these straps, and it comes with 2 straps, and I can put that over my body. I love the color yellow. I just think it looks so good on brown skin. I mean, yellow really does look great on everyone, but on brown skin, yellow looks so good on us. So I just felt like it would go with all of the different pieces that I think for the fall, I'm gonna purchase another bag. I wanna purchase a bigger bag from them, and I'll probably purchase like a brown color. They have a really nice like burgundy colors, like a ox blood color. But I wanna show you guys the inside as well. So on the inside, as you can see, it has the logo of the brand. And how it closed, it has these little buttons, so it clasps like that. Like, it's too small for the wallet that I usually carry, but I do plan on getting a smaller wallet, like card holder, because I don't ever use cash, especially now because I don't really go many places. So I only need my cards anyway for the most of the places I go into. This bag retails for $150. And then obviously it goes up in price depending on the size. But from time to time, like when I'm on my walks with my son, I will carry it on me like this. And this is where it hits, which is like right by my waist. So it hits at a really nice length. I am 5 feet tall, so if you're a little bit taller, you might find it to be a little short, but for the most part, most people carry the bag like this. That's really why people buy the bag. Oh, another thing that I wanted to add is this is a smaller brand. So oftentimes when you go on the website, you might find that some of the pieces are sold out, but that is okay. What I recommend is when you see a bag, like a size and a color that you like, click on the bag, even if it says that it's sold out, and you can put your email where you'll be notified when the item comes back in stock. And this is how I was able to get this color. This is the one I wanted. I actually was okay with getting any color this size, but I particularly wanted either yellow, orange, or red. I wanted like a pop of color. So when the yellow one came back in stock, the yellow and the tan came back in stock at the same time, and I chose to get the yellow. But it does work. Like, they do notify you when they do get back in stock with the item. I recommend doing that, and I was ready to purchase it when it came back in stock. And I think it's definitely worth it if it's a brand that if it's a style of a bag that you really want and it's a brand that you want to support. I definitely knew that this bag had already been on my wish list, and with everything happening and with me wanting to support more Black owned brands, I was like, yeah, I'm definitely getting it now. Like this is on my wish list for sure. So really glad I got it. I will be doing more unboxings on my channel, so make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, because when I get more sizes, I'll be talking about them too. I really honestly want to have one in every size. I think that these black bags are really easy, really classic, and again, it is vegan leather. So if you are someone who is very big on not having leather products and you don't want to have leather products anymore, really nice alternative. First bag unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any more questions about the bag video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.